said it's 115 degrees at the river.
All right, folks, here we are. The Jeep is about to leave. We're at Big Bend National Park, the Rio Grande River. That's Mexico. Mexico is across the river from us right now. So just spent the last like 30 minutes getting loaded up. The shuttle's leaving with the truck.
The house. We got no more room.
We're pretty locked and loaded. There's one bag that didn't fit, but it will fit later. We just got a bunch of like
It will fit.
we just got a bunch of bottles of water in the truck, so in the kayaks. Well, we're looking good. We're looking good. We just passed like a Mexican boat launch, and there was like just a group of guys out there at that little boat. They're just hanging out, drinking some beers, some cervezas, taking a siesta. Carrie's saying this is the most adventurous trip so far. I would say so. The little baby one. Finally. We made it into the beautiful Boquillas Canyon. Ah, perfect. Perfect for the Texas heat. Whew. It's been a good float. It's been a hard float. It's been a good float though. So, drink a beer because we're in the canyon. Let's go. Hold this. Alright. I'm gonna try this and push you off. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. It's exhausting. It's really exhausting. I don't know what time it is. Probably like 4. We've been paddling for probably like 4 or 5 hours. The goal is to get about 13 miles today and then finish up with 20 tomorrow. So if we can get more than 15, that would be 13. That'd be fantastic. But we'll see. As it's going right now, it's not bad. It's low, but I mean, we only have had to walk twice, maybe 3 times in this whole stretch. So hopefully it continues, but so Carrie just saw this. That right there, it's hard to see, but it's literally like a Buddha. It's like a carved figure.
I swear, the eye sockets are so defined, the nose is so defined.
Walked in a stairway with many bars rock in a hard place, he's battery control.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Everything's gonna be okay. Okay. So, probably about 7. Carrie and I just took I took like a nap. Carrie was reading.
7:40.
7:40, probably for like an hour.
Yeah.
Just to kind of like cool off, just relax.
Laid out on these.
Just
things
laid out on the.
under a little tree. This was the only.
Yeah, this was the only shade. There was only shade over from like where the bag is and the water bottle that way. And we found it. We were like, we gotta go lay in it. And we did, and it was a huge help.
We'll be back with the pasta free. This is my last,
The last
one.
pasta
I'm down.
from
We cannot
ever.
find it anywhere. It's so good. I feel like I'm having a little picnic, you know. Got a nice book, a little wind, a little shade.
I know, got a little breeze, shade. We cooked some Mountain House meals. I got beef stroganoff. You missed it about, I don't know, 20 minutes ago. The tent went flying almost into the river. It literally flew.
It cartwheeled.
It cartwheeled, I'd say about,
20 feet.
I'd say more, I'd say like 20 yards down, almost into the bank. I was about to grab the GoPro, but I was like, I'm just gonna run.
You should have, because you didn't run. Because I got it. I caught it.
Carrie got it. Carrie caught it. I was like, GoPro, but I was like,
GoPro, dude. I was hoping you were. It was pretty hilarious.
it was. I was
The
just
whole
worried.
thing was super comical.
I was worried that it was just gonna go. You know, like after that, I was like, should I go get the kayak and like,
Hunt it down.
yeah, go paddle out to it. I don't know. My thought process is a little weird.
Yeah, sometimes, I don't know. When things are like actually kind of like,
Happening.
yeah, scary, your first thought isn't like the camera.
I know, cause like my first thought was like camera, but then like my like.
The next thought was, wait, we're actually.
Yeah, like the actual thought was like, wait, actually, like, we need to catch the tent. And then I was like, camera can wait.
It was truly like cartwheeling, doing spins, and like it lifted up, and like it was gonna lean and fall back into the river, and then it like the wind like pushed it up onto the bank. It was crazy. I was like, what?
Yeah, it was almost in the river. So I'm about to try this Strogue, and then I don't know, we're probably gonna eat.
We're doing okay. I feel like after our little nap.
Yeah, I'm doing
Doing
good.
a lot better, you know, getting to eat now. So.
Yeah, it's like cool. It's shady, so it's cool now, and it's probably temperature's probably like in the 80s.
Yeah.
Wind's
Not too
blowing.
bad. It's way better than it was earlier.
Yeah. And it's about 4:30 in the morning. We woke up and the stars are out. The moon's gone, and like you can finally see the stars. You can see the galaxy straight up.
So cool.
So you probably don't see anything because the GoPro's
Kind of garbage.
not the best at capturing that kind of stuff, but it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. There's so many stars. We've seen like a bunch of shooting stars so far, and so we're just hanging out here, just watching the stars probably till the sun comes up. So
One of the coolest things I've ever seen.
day 2 in Baquias. Saw the stars last night. Videoed it a little bit, but I was about at 4. It was beautiful. Then after that, we kind of fell back asleep. It's about 7:30 right now. It's cool. About 75. Try to get on the river before the sun comes off the mountains. Getting up, Brains? Check out this damn millipede. My God. Thing's huge. We're packed up. It's probably what, almost 9?
Yeah.
Probably almost 9. We were trying to get out here for 6, but whatever. And we're gonna get going. Sun's about to peek over the ridge, so
Hope there's still some shade left.
there's probably still some shade, a little bit of shade left in us for a bit, but we're gonna go either way. So let's do it. Officially out. That was our campsite for the night. Beautiful sight. Beautiful stars. So a long day ahead of us. We got this. Let's go. Alright. Oh, fish like this long jumped up like on my boat, like it like jumped out the water. Yeah, I was like, oh my God. Spooky, spooky.
Ooh, bats.
gets harder every single day. And I know my darkness.
Let's go. Keep them up like this. Keep them up like this. Keep them up like this. That right there is kind of what we've been dealing with the whole time. That was probably one of the better ones. We've only had to get out total like 2 or 3 times, but it's a lot of, you get caught in the rocks and you gotta push yourself free. But it is what it is. It's not the worst. They seem to be getting better today, knock on wood. We just made ourselves Celsius water.
The blueberry lemonade flavor. It's actually very good.
We are hitting that like 10:30 lull and we need a pick-me-up.
It's just getting sunny and we're like,
yeah, it's just the sun's out full blast. It's good. I mean, we're hitting a lot of like slow sections right now, which is fine. But just a little something to give us a little energy. We didn't have no coffee or nothing this morning. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'll take this. I'll take this, baby. I'll take this. Hey, let's go.
let's go eat.
This is definitely one of the most crazy and beautiful things we've ever done. It's very difficult, very hard, but also very rewarding. So, yeah, just excited to see where it goes and to finish.
Down and you're hurt 'cause you don't feel love. It's hard when you're living and you don't feel much, and you're down and you're hoping that things are gonna change.
This is a beautiful area. This is so freaking beautiful. Yeah, 100%, 100%. This is beautiful. This is definitely like probably my favorite section of the river so far. Like a drop off. Good. Carrie just came up with the name for the kayaks. Do you want to say it?
Yeah. Fire and Ice.
Mine's fire. Carrie's is ice.
Poem by Robert Frost. Because, like, the color scheme and it's just perfect. And I don't know how we never named them to this point.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
And we're talking about how they like they complement each other. Where like my boat is able to hold like the coolers on the front, coolers on the back. It has a container inside, but it's super hard to access on the water. Whereas Carrie's has a super easy container. That's where we keep all our like our day stuff, the snacks, the phones, X, Y, and Z. Also, it has like bungees to hold the speaker and whatnot. And it has like she has stuff in the front of her boat, like the tent and stuff, shoved between her feet. Where mine, I can't do that. You're coming out to Big Bend or anywhere hot, get one of these, kind of wet it, put it around your ears, your neck. Oh, it makes a difference. I'm not even hot after this.
There are no limits to what this water bottle can do for me. So normally this is my little hooch container. Also, reminder, look at the cute little kayaker. Isn't this the cutest little thing ever? But today the alcohol's hot, so, and we're down
on bottled
bottles.
water.
So it's time to break in to start using this. So now I'm like, time for this to become my, my water bottle. So I just rinsed it out to get the alcoholic flavor out of there. I'm just gonna fill it
just
up
fill it up.
because, so.
Yeah, I got 2 little old water bottles that I'm gonna fill. We still got like 5 bottles left of water bottles, but we wanted to save those for like Propel and stuff like that. So, I mean, this is our first of 3 jugs, so
yeah,
we got plenty of water, and we got about 8 Bud Lights, which I'll probably like tap into like at some point today, just to like conserve on water, just drink beer. People don't like, that's ridiculous, that's the opposite of hydration, that's alcohol and that dehydrates you. But
we like filled an entire jug with Celsius worth, and we just,
yeah, that's what we need to do.
that's what we should have done. Like a Borg, we'll make it Celsius.
Borg. Celsius Borg. Actually kind of nice because you get to get out the boat for a second. Ooh, that was rough. This is cool dudes. That was cool. So we're thinking this is the end of the canyon. It's gotta be. So from here on out, we're in the sun. We are exposed. I mean, honestly, there hasn't been really much shade in the last couple hours, but it's been great so far. So hopefully the last 12 miles are good. It's probably like more than twice of what we've done so far today. So we'll see. It's the last look.
We were all up in that business. All up in that business.
Baquias Canyon from the back.
Like zippity doo that day.
Now we got, how far?
12 millers.
We got 12 millers to get there. Faster we drink, the faster we get there. So let's start chugging.
Start chugging those millers.
Wow. So,
Time for a Propel.
time for a Propel.
Reward ourselves for that.
To get, to boost the E-lights up. Carrie's toboggan act.
This is the toboggan.
You made.
That one wasn't as good. That one wasn't as good.
That was good. You almost went in. Oh. That one was rough. Ah. Nice. Let's go. That was perfect. That was perfect. That's how they should have all been, seriously. These look, it's like almost like Aztec ruin. I don't know. Yeah, like it's like they're all like, all the rocks are like bricked together almost, you know? This, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we are looking for. Aye, aye, Captain. The water gods are on our side right now. Oh, nice. That one was. Like if they didn't have all those trees over, you could just take it. Well, folks, that's your first look, the bridge, the Linda Bridge. That's our takeout point. We made it. We made it to the freaking bridge. Let's go. Let's go. It has been so long and so hard, but we made it. The bridge, the La Linda Bridge. An old border crossing into Mexico. A little beaten, a little battered.
My fingers.
Yeah, Harry's fingers got blisters. But we made it. We have been walking for like a half a mile at this point, and we still don't see the car.
No in sight. I mean, we are going uphill, so it's highly possible it's obscured, but I mean, damn, this is like...
I know, like this is the bridge right here. I mean,
That was a walk.
it's a walk, it's like a mile walk.
And it was uphill, too. Woo, we in that sweet, sweet AC, but the work is not done yet. I hate to tell you. But it feels a lot better to drive this patch than walk it. But, and also we ran into the lady who shuttled us. She was coming to check on us in her place. So got a little closure, you know, as they say. So we are back in the car. We just loaded everything up, so that's pretty much the final big hurdle that we have. We still got to go drop off her key after we lock the gate, but that shouldn't be too much. It's 8:20, not too bad. I mean, it took probably an hour, so not too shabby, all things considered, to be out of yeah. Respect the club, respect it. That's right, because we did 33 miles in less than 2 days. I mean, not 2 full days. I mean, we did 2 days, I guess, you know, but hey, woo, bring them out, bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. All right, and we're going to close this beach back up. The side door. I'm going to get this. Hopefully next time you see me, I'll be eating a McDonald's, Big Mac. Just kidding.